DDP Excel revision, sorting data. So supposing in this exercise we want to sort all the names in alphabetical order, the first thing we're going to have to do is explain to Excel what data we want to sort. So in this particular case, we're sorting names alphabetical order, so I'm going to click on that section. And you'll find the sort and filter icon sort of towards the right hand side of your ribbon, and it looks like this. You're going to drop down, and in this case we want to sort alphabetically from A to Z. So we're going to click on there. So in this case we've chosen expand selection because we want everything in the row to move with the name. So we always want Thomas to be a security guard. In KZN, that's his salary and whether he earns a commission or not. So choose expand selection, then A to Z.